Okay, I got a little project here for the chicken coop today. I'm going to make an automatic feeder. I'm going to use this 4-inch lightweight drain pipe, 4-inch street 45-degree fitting, actually 3 of those, and a 90-degree fitting. So the first two 45s give us an offset like so. This will come up on the outside of the coop, and this will offset to get underneath to keep it out of the rain, keep this end out of the rain. And this 45 just keeps the feed from falling out the end of the 90 there. So I'll glue it up and I'll stick it in place and we'll see how they like it. No need for primering this these fittings in this pipe. I'm not holding water, so the glue's just there to hold it together, not to keep the water in. I'll glue it up. Okay, so that's what it looks like under the coop. I put a block of wood there because the chicks they're still pretty young and they can't reach it off the ground like it is, but I think it'll be good when they're full grown. So I'll put that block of wood there so they can get at it. So I just put it there. We'll see how how soon it takes them to find it. She's more interested in the dirt and the bugs on the log than the food in the feeder at the moment.